Hello friends, today we're going to be making a paper spinner, and you're just going to spin it around and spin it around and spin it around and pull, and you get to see it spin and make some really cool colors. You're going to start by tracing. I chose an oatmeal lid, but you can take anything, a bowl, a cup, a baby wipe container, anything round will work, and just trace your round object and then cut it out with your scissors. I have one cut out here, and then you're going to take that same lid or bowl, whatever you're using, and make two circles. Trace two circles on a white piece of paper. And then cut those out as well. If you want, you are welcome to color them first or last. After you cut out your circle, you're just going to glue it on. And I cut really bad because I'm in a hurry. But you're just going to glue it on to your cardboard, both sides, with your colored edges out. And so we'll just quickly glue this on and put that on. I didn't take the time to color this for the example here. I didn't know I could cut so fast. Okay, and then we'll glue the other side down. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take your pen that you traced with and try to get about in the middle of your circle and poke it right through. And it made a hole, but if you pick it up and just push a little harder, it comes right out the other end. And make another one right next to it. Okay? It'll go right through, no problem. And then you want some yarn or some string, some twine. You could use cooking twine. You could even try dental floss. Anything that would act like string. And you probably want about, maybe my arm span would be good. So it's about 30 inches or so. And then a little trick would be to take a little piece of tape. You could use Scotch tape, masking tape, and you don't have to use tape if you don't have it, but it just helps thread through the hole. And you just push it through one side and then right through the other. So I went through this, and then I'm going to go back in this way. Oops, my tape's a little wide. And I might need to make my hole go back through. There we go. And then you can just pull the tape off or snip it off if it doesn't want to pull off. Snip it with your scissors. And just tie it in a knot. So go over and under on one side, and then over and under again the opposite way on the other side, and pull, and you've got a knot. And then you can just hold it and twirl it and spin it and wrap it tight. Keep going. Twine that string up and then give it a pull, and it will spin. And you won't see any pretty colors right now because I did not color this one. But you're gonna make yours so pretty, and feel free to videotape and send it to me.